Welcome to my quarantine. Alright. Once again, it's a leaky bow front. So we're here, apparently they noticed it forced something in the morning, water just shooting and a spilling. And of course, I see no styrofoam, which I did mention to him, because apparently nobody ever mentioned that to him. So if you want to hold the camera, and pull the trim off and see what's what. And as you can see, I don't have gloves on once again. See, my subscribers have seen me slice myself open so many times. We had to cut this massive tank apart, and oh man, I sliced that almost bone. I don't know. I have a skill. I can heal really quickly, which is good because I do this to myself a lot. So basically, what you do is you start running the knife in. I don't know why they use so much silicone to hold a piece of trim on when the tank's sitting on top of it. It ain't going nowhere. It's not like silicone is free. Did you know that's why the sardine cans are so full of sardines?
Oh, really?
The oil costs more than sardines do. So they want to get as many sardines in there as they can, because it's cheaper for them. And this is a proud person that put it together, and yeah, you can't drill this tank. Did you know that?
You can't drill it?
No, it's tempered.
Oh. I've had it over 10 years.
Yeah. And if you would have had styrofoam underneath it, I wouldn't be here.
Jeez.
Everybody should watch my videos and pay attention. I preach about a lot of things.
Can it be any type of styrofoam?
White.
Okay.
See, the blue and the pink, they don't have enough give to them.
Okay.
You want some... It's like with a woman. You want as much forgiveness as you can possibly get.
Right.
Like we got the birthday party for my ex-wife's aunt today.
Oh, wow.
We left the current girlfriend home.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah, I'm just kind of thinking... She doesn't exactly like my ex-wife.
Yeah. Give peace a chance.
Yeah, well, mostly I don't want to hear about it. But yeah, Aunt Marianne's turning 70. And we're supposed to meet her daughter's new boyfriend, except they ran off 2 weeks ago to Vegas and got married.
Oh, wow.
So it's no longer a boyfriend.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, they're going to do the wedding anyhow. Like for the family to come to.
Okay.
So.
That's kind of a neat way of doing it.
Yeah. I thought it was cool. Well, Cousin Allison's, I met her when she was 14. That's when I came on the scene. So she's been down to Florida with us a few times. Where her mother and me would do the driving.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, because we drive this Florida Keys straight through.
That's a long drive. I drove to Orlando.
Oh, yeah?
The Keys is quite a bit further, eh?
Yeah. Well, I went with my ex-brother-in-law. We did it in 27 hours. And going with my friend Darlene, it takes 36.
Wow.
She's slow. She's always stopping for bathroom breaks.
Yeah.
And she wants to eat sitting down. Like, we're trying to get to Florida. Why do you want to sit in a restaurant and eat?
Right.
Okay. somewhat close. Okay, look at that seam. As I see it flex.
Yeah.
But here, flexes a little bit. Here it's not. Oh yeah, I'm getting some here. They did a crappy job on this tank. I'm still getting movement here. There. Shave it off. Because we're going to do the whole front for sure, based on that. Okay, we're not getting anything there. Nothing. Okay. So, yeah, basically this whole front seat needs to be reinforced.
Okay.
Okay, let's turn the camera off for a few minutes because I left my other camera at Tony Two Tanks the other day and my son forgot to go get it yesterday. Okay?